Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we've got something special for you, the best shoes for exercise walking on concrete. If you're someone who loves staying active and enjoys long walks or workouts on hard surfaces, then you're in the right place. We're about to introduce you to the HKR women's walking shoes with arch support, and they might just be your new workout buddies. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our expert reviews on top quality products like these.
Now, let's get into it.
These HKR women's walking shoes are all about comfort and breathability. The stretchable fabric upper is not only stylish but also feels like a second skin. It's perfect for those long walks, providing natural ventilation and comfort that you won't want to take off.
You'll appreciate the breathable materials used in these shoes.
They're designed to keep your feet cool and comfortable, even during intense workouts. Tired of spending precious minutes lacing up your shoes before hitting the road? Well, these shoes feature an elastic slip-on closure with a small tab at the back for easy on and off.
No more fussing with laces, just slide them on and you're ready to go.
Whether you're rushing to the gym or just heading out for a quick walk, these shoes make your life a whole lot easier.
Now, here's the real game changer, the arch support insole and memory foam construction. If you suffer from conditions like plantar fasciitis or bunions, these shoes provide the support your feet need. The arch support and memory foam cushioning ensure that every step you take is comfortable and pain-free. Say goodbye to those aches and pains that used to hold you back. It's important to have a shoe that provides reliable traction, especially when you're walking on concrete. These shoes feature a durable rubber sole with traction heel, giving you a firm grip on all surfaces, whether indoors or outdoors. And speaking of safety, these shoes have excellent slip resistance, keeping you steady even on wet or oily floors. In summary, the HKR women's walking shoes are your perfect companion for exercise walking on concrete. With their stretchable fabric upper, easy on and off design, arch support insole, memory foam cushioning, and excellent traction, these shoes are a must-have for anyone looking to stay active and comfortable. And let's not forget how stylish they look.
You can enjoy both functionality and fashion with these shoes.
Now, you might be wondering about the price. Well, you'll be happy to know that these shoes offer incredible value for the quality you receive. Plus, if you check the description below, we've got a link where you can grab them at a fantastic deal.
So, there you have it, the best shoes for exercise walking on concrete, the HKR women's walking shoes. They provide the comfort and support your feet deserve, allowing you to focus on your fitness goals without any distractions. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow fitness enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay active, stay healthy, and keep exploring top quality products with us.
Subscribe now for more exciting reviews.